Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at CVS. We are going to do some deals for the week of the 14th through the 20th, I think it is, of November. And we are not going to do a ton of deals this week. I wasn't able to really plan out a lot of deals this week because of my trip, which I did get back from yesterday. And I had such an amazing time. There will be a vlog up later on this week of my trip. It's not going to be the best vlog because once I got there and met everybody, I was so distracted of doing anything like that. I was just so in the moment and having such a good time. So it was an amazing trip. There's going to be lots of pictures and little TikToks and things like that over on my Instagram if you want to go take a look at it. We were just so silly. I did a TikTok with Coupon Wins with Lynn's, Chris the Maximizer, Orlando Coupon Queen, Saving with Sarah. I think that's it. There was 5 of us that did it, and it was so funny. We did it in the CVS parking lot, and it's about when you are looking for that one coupon and you can't find it. So it was so fun. But anyways, like I said, I will not be able to do a ton of deals this week, but I will be focusing more on beauty because Jody Dunn noticed this on her account yesterday that we are under a certain type of beauty event where you can earn up to $20 in beauty bucks between now and November 30th. So I wanted to focus a little bit more on beauty. So that is really all I have. So let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is an 8 off 40 transaction by starting the spend 30. Get back a $10 extra buck promotion. So I'm going to grab one of the big bottles of Tide for $11.94. Then I'm going to grab one of the big bottle of Tide. Well, it's the Unstoppables beads for $11.94 with the Tide scent. I don't know why I said Tide first. But then we're going to go over and we're going to grab 3 of the Pantene bottles of shampoo and conditioner that are 3 for $12. There's also some that are 3 for $15. Just make sure that you grab the ones that are 3 for $12. If you're doing ones that are 3 for $15, make sure you grab all of them that are 3 for $15, or the math won't equal out to, the $12 or $15. So then next we're going to grab this Salon Essentials at-home tool dye kit, or at-home dye kit. It's the tools that you can use to make dyeing your hair a little bit easier. It's $10.49. So that is going to bring our total up to $46.37. We're going to use a free CRT for that toolkit. Then we're going to use this $3 off coupon for the Tide. Then we're going to use this $2 off coupon for the Downy beads. Then I'm going to use a 4 off of 3 Pantene coupon that is expired from the November P&G. There's also a 4 off 3 digital coupon that may possibly glitch with that as well. And then of course we have that 8 off of 40. Then that's going to bring our total down to $14.88. But then we are going to pay with a Fluz gift card and we will get back an additional $3.95. So after all of our coupons and our CRTs, plus our Fluz gift card and extra bucks back, our final total for all of these items here would be just 93 cents. And I think that is incredible. Next, we're going to do a little Ibotta rebate. So we're going to grab one of these warmers here for $2.69. I have a $1.50 off app-only coupon on my app. That's going to bring my total down to $1.19, but then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back $1.75 for this, making it free, and a 56-cent moneymaker. And I did see that some people had a $2 app or in-app only coupon, so it just really depends on what you have. Then I did see this CBS Receipt Dog Toy. It is so cute, guys. If you have a dog, you need to get it. So then we're going to do a spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck deal for the Aveeno. It is a tiered promotion. It's also spend 45, get back $15, but we're just going to do the spend 30, get 10. I'm grabbing 2 of these face creams for $11.99 a piece. And then I'm going to go over and I'm going to grab some of these Aveeno wipes through the Calm and Restore wipes for $8.29 a piece. So the 3 items will equal out to $32.27. I am going to be using coupons that I printed from coupons.com. There is a link below for you to print those out. I'm going to use 2 $3.50 off 1 printable coupons for the moisturizer and a $1 off coupon for the wipes. So then I'm going to use a $3 off Aveeno Facial Care CRT and a $2 off Aveeno Facial Care CRT. Then that's going to bring my total down to $24.27. I'm going to pay that. Of course, I'm going to use extra bucks to pay that, but then I'm going to get back a $10 extra buck. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Rebate, and I will get back a $3 rebate for each one of the moisturizers and a $1 rebate for the wipes. Then I'm also going to submit my receipt to the Johnson & Johnson Winter Wellness Rebate that will be linked down below. When you submit your receipt, you'll get back a $10 digital Visa card that you can use, and that will bring this down to everything being free and a $4.48 moneymaker, which is absolutely crazy, guys. So definitely pick that up. This will be great for a gift basket or a stocking stuffer. So then we're going to go grab some of the Paparazzi nail polish. The Paparazzi nail polish is buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck, and they're 2 for $5. And it's also a limit of 2. So you can buy 4 of them for $10. You will get back a $10 extra buck, and they will count towards that Epic Beauty event. So even if you don't need these or want them, get them because they'll be free, and then they count towards the Epic Beauty event. So I don't have any CRTs on this account, but I am doing this twice. Just make sure that you scan them and that any of them that you grab are not on clearance because you won't get back the extra buck for them. So then I'm going to grab some of these Beauty 360 cotton items. They're on promotion this week where you spend 10, you get back a $5 extra buck, and they're normally spend 10, get 3. So I'm definitely going to grab these because they won't go bad in your basement or your stockpile room. So I'm grabbing some cotton ovals, I think they are. Yes, they're ovals. They're $4.69 a piece. And then I'm going to grab some cotton balls. These will also count for beauty. So these 3 items will equal out to $12.17. The cotton balls are underneath those little oval thingies. And then I will get back a $5 extra buck, making all 3 of them just $7.17. I don't have any CRTs for them, which I typically do, but I haven't gotten these in a really, really long time. So that's why I don't really have any CRTs for them. But hopefully I'll start getting them again. But anyways, also perfect to add for the Epic Beauty deals. Next, we're going to grab some L'Oreal Cosmetics. L'Oreal Cosmetics are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. And I have a $3 off mystery or instant coupon. Then I also have another CRT. So I'm going to grab one of these eyeliners for $9.29 a piece. Then I'm going to go over and I'm going to grab one of the L'Oreal Single Shadows for $6.79. The single shadows are included in the promotion. It just says that trial and travel are included. So then 2 of these items here will equal out to $16.08. I don't have any manufacturer coupons to use, but I do have a $2 off L'Oreal eyeliner CRT and then that $3 off L'Oreal instant or mystery coupon this week as well. That's going to bring my total down to $11.08. I will get back a $5 extra buck, making both of these just $6.08, which isn't terrible, but it's going to track towards that beauty event. So then we're also going to grab some more Paparazzi on another account. Now this account does have a 2 off of 3 of the Paparazzi, so I'm going to grab 4. They're going to equal to $10. I'm going to use that CRT. I'll pay $8, get back a $10 extra buck, making them a $2 moneymaker. Next, I'm going to grab a Welly Bravery bandage kit for $9.99. There's no deals on these, but I do have 2 $3 off CRTs. It won't work for the refills, unfortunately, only for the 10s. So it will take $6 off of this, making this just $3.99. So I think that's a really good deal, and I love getting these things. All right, guys, so I am back in from CVS, and one thing I want to talk about is when I got my CRTs on Sunday morning and I was looking at them, there was a lot of CRTs that either I didn't notice or they weren't popping up. And I noticed them yesterday and today, and one of the CRTs was for a at-home coloring kit. So I picked this up, and this was $10.49 in my store, and that CRT took off $10.49. Now, you can also get this or a package of like hair color capes that you wear around your shoulders when you color your hair. And I was going to get that because, you know, why not? But I noticed that this was a lot more, and because I thought they were the same price originally. So I grabbed this because it should count towards beauty. Because when I said earlier in the video, we're under a beauty event and we can earn up to 20 beauty bucks between now and the 30th of November. So if this counts towards beauty, that's a good chunk of it. You know what I mean? For one thing, and to get it for free. So that's why I grabbed this. And then I also combine this in with an 8 off of 40. Plus, guys, it has a digital timer in here. That's amazing. It's got a digital timer with a battery in it. It's got the mixing bowl and a brush, and then it's got 4 hair clips. Thought, that's cool. So let's go over the numbers really quick. In my first transaction, I did a spend 30, get 10. I did the Paparazzi, and then I did the cotton. And that come out to $41.70. I did get back $25 in extra bucks, and I also paid with a Fluz gift card. So that meant the Paparazzi, the cotton squares, and the spend 30, get 10 was $12.75. So I think that is incredible. And then on my second transaction, I did the spend 30, get 10 for the Aveeno. I did the L'Oreal. I did the Paparazzi again. And then I did the Welly. And the Welly was, there's no deal for the Welly. So anyways, my total for that transaction was $45.53. I got back $25 in extra bucks again. So my total for that transaction was $45.53. I got back $25 in extra bucks on that transaction as well. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $8.75 on Ibotta. I got back $3 for each one of those Aveeno moisturizers. I got back $1 for those face wipes from Aveeno. And then I also got back $1.75 for that Airwick. Then I'll submit my receipt to the Johnson & Johnson Winter Wellness rebate, and I'll get back a $10 Visa card for that because all of those Aveeno items are on that list. And then I paid that also with a Fluz gift card and also got back $3.95. So that brought my total down to everything being free and a $2.17 moneymaker for that transaction. So I'm really, really happy with that. Now, I had someone in last week's video ask me if I got back the $10 Visa card yet for the Johnson & Johnson rebate because they didn't see any of these stubborn products on the list. I have not gotten that back yet, but I did scroll through the list and I did see a few stubborn products listed, so I will keep you updated if I get that back. So my total for everything for both transactions was $10.58, and I'm really, really happy with that. I think I got some really great items this week, plus I got a lot of items that goes towards beauty, so hopefully that will turn out in our favor. So let's take a look at the receipts. So here is the receipt for my first transaction. There is everything that I got. Then here are my CRTs that I used. I only used that free dry salon toolkit CRT and then an 8 off of 40. And then I did use some of my 2% extra bucks back. And there's my total for $12.70. So here is the receipt for my next transaction. There's the Paparazzi, the L'Oreal, the Aveeno, more L'Oreal, and I thought this was only $9.79, so that really sucks when that kind of happens, but it is what it is. Then there's more Aveeno, the Airwick, and then the Welly kit. So here is my CRTs. I did $3 off. Honestly, I'm sorry guys, I don't know if it is a mystery coupon or an instant coupon for the L'Oreal. There's both of the $3 off Welly CRTs, a $3 off Aveeno CRT, and a $2 Aveeno CRT. I have a 2 off 3 Paparazzi CRT, a $2 off L'Oreal eyeliner CRT, a $1.50 Airwick app only coupon, and then I used some extra bucks, and then there is my total right there. All right, guys, so that is everything. Stay tuned for next week. There will be a giveaway that anybody can be a part of. So it'll be kind of like a Thanksgiving grateful type of giveaway. And I am really excited to do that. So anyways, that's really all I have today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And be sure to tune in to next week's video. Bye, guys.